Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Darryl here once again. Now as you know that I bought a new car, there's some modifications which have to be done. People put accessories like seat covers, floor mats and mud flaps. But a very interesting thing happens is that the company, when it releases its car, they release it with a headlight bulb which has a power of 12 volts 55/60 watts. Now that bulb is very dim, it's not very bright, and when you're driving it's not very effective. Very distinct, dim the lights are, less the lights are. So to increase that, you have to increase the wattage. So it is a 12 volt bulb again, but I'm putting a 100/130 watt bulb, and it's a Philips bulb which I bought yesterday. This is it. You have to be very careful while handling these bulbs. You have to catch it from the back, if not the tips get spoiled. Okay, the bulb is same, only the wattage is different, and that is it. So the bulb is going to be replaced today. But now if I just put these bulbs directly, there's going to be a problem. You're supposed to put a new harness and a relay system which takes the load so that the wires don't get burnt. So for that I bought again a Philips harness system and relay. Now this has got ceramic bulb holders which will not burn because of the extra light, extra heat. Okay, so that is it. So today I'm going to go and replace these bulbs and replace this harness system and hope to have a nice brighter light. It's very important to have a brighter light while you're driving so that you can see the road clearly and drive safe. So that is it for the moment. We will connect when we are doing the fitting of it at the mechanic center. Now I can go right now and do it, but I'm not doing it right now because once I fit it, I need to check the focus. So I need to ensure that it's dark, it's not bright sun. So to adjust the focus, we need to have dark. So in the evening, when it turns a little dark, I've already spoken to shop fellow. He's agreed to wait for me to come there, and then he will do it. So till then, see you when we're doing the fitting of the harness, relay and the exchange of bulbs. I will show you a video of before and after. Okay, thank you, and I hope you like my video. Catch you later. Bye. Welcome back, my friends. I have come to change my headlight bulbs for my new Maruti Wagoner. The stock bulb is a 12 volt, as I said, 12 volt 55. I'm going to put 12 volt 130 watts. I'll show you the difference. But this is a very beautiful place that I've come to. I'll show you just now around. Beautiful two churches here. One to my right, one to my left. It seems that the Portuguese were very holy people. Every 50 meters, 100 meters you'll find a church somewhere or another. Okay, just hold on. To my right, here's one church. Beautiful market. Here's my car. I've come to change the lights. He's just doing another car. After he finishes that, he'll do mine. And there's another church over here. So beautiful. All over, church. Somebody doesn't go to church over here, na? God will never forgive them. He'll say, I made so many churches for you over here, and I didn't go to church. Okay, we'll see you in a minute. This is the headlight to my driver's seat is the original stock bulb. which is a little dim, and the one which is here on my right on the passenger side is brighter. There's definitely some amount of difference of light. Maybe probably don't identify in the camera, but definitely I can see that there's a difference. Difference hai na? Huh? Now to support the high wattage bulb, you have to put a heavy duty harness wire with a relay to increase the power of the light and take the load. So the original wires are pulled out and they put new heavy duty wirings, so that this thing it's able to handle the power of the new bulb, which is a heavier bulb. So that is it. I hope to have some good light. See, there's a relay over here. There is connected the wires to the battery direct supply, because relay requires direct power, and there is connecting the earth wire. Everything seems to be good. Hope to have some good lighting now. This seems to be excellent now. The lights are nice and bright compared to what it was. It used to be looking brown, the original lights. Now nice and clear white. And I guess while the car drives, it will get brighter. So that is about fitting the new bulb in the headlight. Let's hope the results are good. Okay, it seems to be good. There's a difference. I've seen it. Now let's see what is the effect on the road. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to press the like button and share, subscribe, and don't forget to even press that bell icon for the alert that will come to you for future videos. Bye bye.